There we go. If you take a look at those threads look pretty good. How to use Bluerock's PTM-300 pipe threading machine kit. I'm going to show you what this machine can do for cutting, reaming, and threading pipe. And I'm going to explain to you all the components so you're well versed in this pipe threading machine. Slide this in through the rear chuck. Now close the chuck. Make sure it's nice and tight. Back chuck, nice and tight. Now we're going to take and lower the cutter. Now we've got the switch in the forward position. My foot is on the foot pedal. I'm going to push that foot pedal. The machine's going to turn. We're going to grab the feed handle for the tubing cutter and we're going to turn it to the right. That's going to cut the pipe. Let's go. Oh yeah. Now we've cut the pipe where we marked it. Now we're going to take our reaming tool and bring it down into the ready position. We're going to push this piece, bring it in, it locks, and then we're going to take the lever that moves the carriage and we're going to move it up to the pipe. Look at that. Look at that smooth inside surface. Nice. Now that we've reamed the inside of the pipe, we're going to bring the reaming tool back out, move it into the up position. I'm going to bring the carriage back a little bit. Then I'm going to take the die head assembly and I'm going to bring it down into the ready position. We're going to go ahead and press this switch and start threading. Looking good so far. Usually stop at the end of the dies, right there or a little bit past. There we go. And if you take a look at those threads look pretty good. Look at that. Let's look at the other side, or all the way around. Yep, looks really good. Now, I haven't showed you where I got this, so let me do that real quick. I'm on BluerockTools.com. This is where I got the machine. I'm actually on the page where I purchased my machine, and it says this is the Bluerock PTM-300 pipe threading kit. It includes the power drive, the threading kit assembly, the oiler bucket, and the tripod stand. And it was $21.99 plus tax, but it's free shipping. So you can see a picture of the machine that we've got here today. And if we scroll down, you can see the portable wheel kit option. The T-Transport is $93. And then you can get an extra 811A die head holder assembly, 129 bucks. That's always good to have. And then I got the roll groover kit, right? That roll grooving attachment, and it was $329. Now I was considering another machine, and I'm gonna show you that and explain to you why this was the choice. Now here's the other choice. I was looking at the Model 300 rigid, right? We've got the same exact setup, but it's more than $5,500. So plus tax, we're looking at $6 grand. So double the price for pretty much the exact same thing. And that's the reason. It's just all came down to price. I mean, I could get two of these for the price of one of these rigid 300s.